Hello everyone, my name is Danelle and I am the launch director for the Spaceport America Cup rocket team. We are at the Powerhouse Energy Institute. This is where we manufacture all of our parts. We are doing in-house work. We're building a 15-foot tall sounding rocket. We are trying to launch a muon detector 30,000 feet, which is equivalent to a 737 Boeing airliner. We will utilize a nitrous oxide and ethanol liquid motor to get us there. All right, let's check out what the team's doing today. We are in the rapid prototyping lab using a 2-speed CNC Haas machine to machine all of our parts in-house for free. "12 senior design students, including myself, are headed for Las Cruces, New Mexico this summer. We are excited to compete in the International Spaceport America Cup competition. This will be our 5th year competing and we are excited to launch Ares 6 30,000 feet. Go Rams!